Cleaning windows with pure water can make the task easier, but choosing the right brush for your needs can be challenging. There are three main types of brushes: nylon, boar's hair, and hybrid. Here's a comparison to help you decide which one is best for you. First off, the nylon water-fed brush. This brush is lightweight, allowing you to wash windows all day without experiencing significant fatigue. Its lightweight design also makes it easier to reach high windows. The nylon bristles are easy to rinse, preventing dirt from getting trapped and scratching the glass. This means you can keep the brush on the window while cleaning. Additionally, nylon is durable, ensuring that this brush will last a long time. And the most affordable out of the three. In conclusion, this brush is ideal for maintenance cleaning. Second is the Boar's hair brush. This brush is known for its scrubbing power. Unlike the nylon brush, its natural bristles effectively remove stubborn grime, leaving windows sparkling clean. However, it is heavier, making it less suitable for reaching high windows and more challenging to use throughout the day. In conclusion, this brush is perfect for windows that haven't been cleaned in a while and require a more aggressive approach. Lastly, the hybrid brush. This brush is a combination of both the nylon and boar's hair brushes. It is lightweight like the nylon brush, yet has decent scrubbing abilities similar to the boar's hair. The hybrid brush is durable and suitable for multiple cleaning jobs. It is an affordable option and is the most popular kind of brush on the market. Every pure water power pole comes with a hybrid brush. In conclusion, this brush is perfect for all-purpose cleaning. Which brush is right for you? Just add water. Pure water power provides the tools. You supply the shine.